So if you're just starting out with guitar and you want to play a lot of Nirvana songs, these are the 5 chords that you can actually learn to play about 80% of their catalog. The first one is E5. The second one is A5. The third one is D5. The fourth one is G5. And then the 5th one is just a power chord. That's where you put your index finger on the fretboard and then put your ring finger 2 frets up and 1 string down. So here's Territorial Pissings. And then also Smells Like Teen Spirit. And then all the other songs sound like that. In Bloom. So those are all the songs that are using the power chords. And then, yeah, that's how Kurt did his lower chords. Thanks for watching.